Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Let's get into this food. Yes, let's get into this rainbow, okay? Don't judge me, judge your mama. Bacon grease, that's flavor. And more flavor, yes. And more flavor. I don't know about you, but my food don't come already seasoned. Yes, honey. I had the nerve today. Don't judge me, judge your mom. Well, I'm going to leave that alone. I am loving this air fryer. I have to admit, I am late to the air frying game. I've had this for maybe a little less than a year now. I love this thing. I rarely turn on my regular oven now. Let's head over to the garden. So dry out here. I'm in Maryland Zone 7B in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia area, the DMV. Let's grab some kale from the garden. It's pretty hot out here, still in the 90s. I've been doing a lot of watering out here, just trying to keep things alive. That's the flea beetle, when you see that pattern there. Lots of insects are hungry. Everybody's hungry. I'll come out and get this shortly. I'll give it another couple of days. I'll come out and get that. Oh, some Swiss chard. I'll go ahead and grab this. This is the Sugar Rush peach pepper. These two are the San Marzano tomato. It's so hot. My plants aren't producing as well as they normally would with this extreme heat. Yeah, I think we're all hot. Okay, I better grab this kale before it all gets eaten up. And some of the really badly chewed leaves are going into my compost tea. And I'll take these inside. I topped off this pepper plant. We've got new leaf development here. It's going to make for a bushier plant. Got some mint there. Cucumber. Got some flowers there. That's a good sign. Let's head back inside and finish this meal. And this is what I use to clean my veggies. Yes, this is my favorite part. Plate it up, plate it up. Look at the steam coming off of that burger. Yes, let's get some of these veggies, these healthy veggies on the plate. They look good, they'll taste good, and they're good for the body. What are your favorite vegetable combinations? Let me know in the comments. And do you see how those tomatoes, they broke down and created a nice silky sauce? Your girl is trying not to leave anything behind in this pan. I'm getting it all, especially this delicious looking sauce. Yes, put it right on that kale. There you go. Y'all better come on and bring you a fork and get you a bite. Two of my favorite things, flowers and good food. All right, well, if you made it this far, tell me what you think. I've been slaving over this stove. Let me know what you think about this meal. Is this something that you would enjoy? Listen, I'm definitely a meat lover, but I also know that fruits and veggies are very important to eat as well. So I try my best to load up on my veggies anytime that I can. We first eat with our eyes, so it's so important to make sure that our meals look good. They look tasty. Listen, we get one body, one life. Let's take care of them both, okay? Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. Let's dig in. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.